In this video, I will show you how to disable Discord account. To do this, what you want to do first is open up Discord and log into your account. Once you've done that, come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click onto the gear icon to go into your user settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left-hand side, and from here, what you want to do is make sure you're clicked onto My Account. Once you're on the My Account page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this section, where you're going to see the Account Removal section. So you can see you've got two options. You can either delete your account or just disable your account. Disabling your account means it is possible to recover it at any time after taking this action, but of course if you select to delete account, you're not going to be able to recover your account. So maybe you want to disable it because you want to take a break from Discord or something like that, but whatever the reason, just click the red disable account button, and if you do have any servers, you must first transfer ownership of the servers that you own before you can disable or delete your account. So to do that, if I come back to my server list, you can see I've got a server here. You want to click onto your server, come up to the top left hand corner and click onto the server name, and on the menu that comes up, you want to click onto server settings. Once you're in your server settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see the option to delete server. Give that a click, and what you're going to want to do is enter your name exactly as it is. This is case sensitive, so make sure you enter any capitals as they appear in the name, and then click the delete server button. So you just want to repeat this for any servers that you have. I've currently got two. Once you've done that, what you want to do is come back into your settings, and then again scroll down to the account removal section, and you'll now see when you click to disable account, you're going to get a message pop up like this. So it says, are you sure that you want to disable your account? This will immediately log you out of Discord and make your account inaccessible to anyone, but of course you can recover it at any point by simply logging in with your details again. So to confirm, just enter your Discord password into here and then click the disable account button, and that's going to disable your Discord account. So that is how to disable Discord account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.